Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money with Snapchat Spotlight. Well, as you can see, Spotlight is a platform owned by the Snapchat, where various entertaining and informative videos that do not exceed 60 seconds are displayed. So you don't need to have thousands of followers because once you come up with a creative video idea and post it on Spotlight, it will be shared among users, which increases the number of views. So some people wonder here how much profit can be made from Spotlight. To start earning and withdrawing profits, you must reach the minimum threshold of $250, which is determined based on the views of your Spotlight videos. And once you reach this threshold, the platform will contact you to plan how to receive your profits. Now, how you can make money with this Snapchat Spotlight? Well, to begin, you need to create a distinctive video clips to ensure they gain significant popularity, thus enabling you to make money from Spotlight on Snapchat. But what are the most important guidelines here to follow when preparing for video? The first one is obvious step is to add original content. So as copying others' video will not help you gain financial gains. Number 2, choose one of the most popular topics to attract your audience, such as showcasing skills, cooking, sports, daily habits, and so on. Number 3 is provide exciting and entertaining content to attract more viewers. Number 4 here is you should classify the video to make it easier to find among related videos. Number 5 is use Snapchat filters professionally. Number 6, participate in our challenges circulating on Snapchat. And number 7, try to gather the largest number of views by asking your followers on other social media platforms to watch your new clips. So with these steps here and the important guidelines here, if you follow all of this one and you can get more viewers, then you will earn and make money with this Snapchat Spotlight. Now, if you want to post in Spotlight, you just need to download on your Android phone or on your iOS phone, or you can simply click on this Post to Spotlight button here at the right side of your screen. And as you can see here, sign in to post your videos to Snapchat. Here you can post MP4 videos 5 to 60 seconds and with a minimum resolution of 540 by 960. And you just need to sign in here your account on Snapchat. Then you can also go to Snapchat support and find this Spotlight guidelines, where you can find here all the topics about this Spotlight. As you can see, Spotlight rewards, submit your best video snaps to Spotlight for this opportunity to receive a share of the millions that we're making available to creators. So here you just need to cash out your Crystal Award. So if you click in this one, you'll find this topic here. As you can see, how do I cash out my Crystal reward? So as you can see, you just need to follow all of this just to make sure that you will receive your payment from the Snapchat Spotlight. So that's how you basically make money with Snapchat Spotlight, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.